Love doing again, take two. Okay. Hello everyone, I am Mary De Leon, TV and events host. I love doing outdoor activities. I love freediving and I love doing fun activities whenever I can. So yes, today we will be introducing products from Organic Nature. We now have our Hydrating Vibrant Satin Velvet Lipstick. Wow! It has SPF 15. Wow. Perfect pang outdoor. And also, it has coconut oil and vitamin E. So, very hydrating talaga siya. And it is FDA approved. So, now, mas kilalanin na natin sila. Let us now do the unboxing. Okay, so we have 3 shades for this Hydrating Vibrant Satin Velvet Lipstick. Yes, unahin natin yung light one. Pink. Pinkish, very pink. Barbie pink. Sa mga mahilig sa pink. Sino yan? Taas ang kamay. Okay. So, I wanna try. Excited ako. Try natin here. Yan. Ang shade ni Sweet. Ah, sa Sweet Girl yan. Very pink. Gusto kong maglagay nasa Sweet Girl. Silky yung pagka-apply. Velvety. Silky. Pareho ba yun? Basta madulas yung pagkakalagay. Ganon. Yan si Sweet. Okay. Let's now do the next one. Brave. Uy, ang ganda. Laban. Ang perfect. This is Brave. Ganda! At dahil gusto ko rin, ipatong din natin. Uy, ang ganda! Pwedeng mag-mix ng color. So, this is Brave. This is Sweet and Brave. Sweet ka na, brave ka pa. Sang ka pa. Dagdagan pa natin. Pwedeng dalawa lang ang personality mo. Mas masaya, mas madami. So, sweet ka na, brave ka na, foxy ka pa. I love it. Oh, ang ganda! At syempre, try din natin. Ay, ang ganda rin! Syempre, pag tatlo personality mo, mas kakaiba ka. So, we have sweet, brave, and foxy. 3 shades of our Hydrating Vibrant Satin Velvet Lipstick. Yes, again with SPF 15 and very creamy siya. Satin yung feels pag-apply or velvet. Up to you. So there you go everyone. This is the Organic Nature Hydrating Vibrant Satin Velvet Lipstick. There you go. Thank you so much. So this is our product for today. And abangan ninyo ang ating next product. Bye!